Thinking of building the next Etsy or Amazon? In this video, we'll show you exactly how to build a multi-vendor marketplace app from scratch, from key features and tech stack to monetization and estimated cost. If you're an entrepreneur, brand owner, or developer looking to enter the e-commerce space, this video is for you. What is a multi-vendor marketplace app? A multi-vendor marketplace app allows multiple sellers to list their products while buyers can browse, compare, and purchase through a single platform. Think Etsy for handmade goods, Amazon for everything, or even niche platforms for groceries, services, or digital products. The online retail space is massive and growing every day. To give you an idea, Amazon alone has over 310 million active customer accounts around the world. That's almost the population of the US. Core features you'll need. To build a marketplace app that actually works, you need to think about all the people using it. And that means designing for 3 core user journeys: the buyer, the seller, and the admin. Let's break that down. First up, the buyer experience. These are your customers, the ones browsing and buying. You want their journey to be smooth and intuitive. So you'll need a quick and easy product search with smart filters to narrow things down, ratings and reviews to build trust, a seamless cart checkout and payment flow, and of course, real-time order tracking, because we all love knowing exactly when our package will arrive. Now let's talk about sellers. This is where your marketplace really comes to life. Sellers need a smooth onboarding process, including KYC verification if you're handling real transactions. They should be able to list their products, manage inventory, handle orders with an easy-to-use dashboard, and track their earnings and payouts directly from their vendor panel. Finally, the admin panel. This is your control room. You'll need tools to set and manage commissions, handle disputes between buyers and sellers, oversee all user activity with vendor and customer management tools, and of course, dive into the numbers with a solid analytics dashboard. Each of these user types has a different journey, and when you get all 3 right, that's when your marketplace starts to scale. Recommended tech stack. All right, let's talk tech. Here's a tried and tested tech stack that works well for scalable marketplace development. Front end, React Native or Flutter, so you build once for both Android and iOS. Back end, Node.js or Django. Database, MongoDB or PostgreSQL. Cloud hosting, AWS, Google Cloud or Azure. Payment gateways, Stripe, Razorpay, PayPal. Real-time features, Firebase for notifications and chat. Others, Twilio for SMS, Elasticsearch for product search. This stack gives you both flexibility and scalability as you grow. Monetization models. Now let's get to the part everyone cares about: making money from your marketplace. Here are 3 revenue models that work well. Commission on each sale. Take a percentage from every transaction. Vendor subscription plans. Charge sellers a monthly fee for premium features. Paid listings or ads. Let vendors pay to promote their products. You can use one or combine multiple, depending on your niche. Development time and cost. Let's be real. Building a marketplace isn't cheap, but it's an investment that pays off. Here's a rough breakdown. Basic MVP with essential features, $10,000 to $25,000. Full-featured app like Etsy or Amazon, $40,000 to $100,000 plus. Timeline, usually 3 to 12 months, depending on scope and complexity. Keep in mind, your cost can vary based on design, team location, and whether you're going with custom features or ready-made modules. How Apptunix can help. At Apptunix, we've helped dozens of businesses launch successful marketplace apps across e-commerce, services, and even niche B2B platforms. Whether you're just validating your idea or ready to build, our team of app developers, UI and UX designers, and product experts can help you bring it to life from concept to launch and beyond. So if you're serious about building your own version of Etsy, Amazon, or even something completely unique, let's talk. Hit the link in the description to book a free strategy session with our experts.